Good morning. Uh, let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll start. Right. Okay, fine. We are good to start. I hope everyone has arrived now. So we are going to start with the writing first and then we'll switch to the reading. Am I audible? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So let's start with the writing part first. We have task to today. Let me show you the task that we are going to attempt today. First of all, I'll just like to start with a brief introduction of writing task 2. In IELTS, we do have two tasks. The one is the report writing and the second one is essay writing. The word limit for the task 2 is a minimum of 250 words and a maximum you can write 280 or 300. Choice is all yours. That there are certain things that you have to bear in mind. That is the paragraph. You have to write everything in terms of paragraph and there should be at least 4 to 5 paragraphs depending on demands of the question. There should be one introduction, body paragraphs, obviously two, and there should be one conclusion. In certain cases, they do look for more body paragraph, so you have to be careful depending on the demand of the questions. You have to just write it. After writing conclusion, that's all. You have to proofread your task. So you get in totality 40 minutes to attempt this task. How you're going to utilize that 40 minutes? You will have to write 5 minutes should be for the planning. 30 minutes you can devote for writing your task. And then 5 minutes you're going to do the proofreading. so that you can just avoid the grammatical errors if there is any. So this is how you're going to utilize your time. After that, we are going to see the assessment criteria. I hope that's there in the slide. Okay, so let's have a look. So first of all, just to get mark in your, just like the assessment is quite easy in your listening and reading. It is just, if it is 26, you get the 6 bands. Similarly, for the writing, the things are not so easy. You will have to just focus on all these 4 criteria to score well. The first one is the task achievement. That is the task response. That means jo bhi, whatever the question is asked to you, you have to answer that relevant to the topic. Wait. So that should be relevant to the topic. If the topic is about the computer and you are asked to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of computer, you should discuss that. You're not going to write why the computers are used, but rather you have to focus the positivity, or we can say that the positive facts related to the computer. Then comes the second part is coherence and cohesion. That defines how well your sentences are connected. Finally, we have the lexical resources that defines the vocabulary, and the last part is grammatical range and accuracy. That means your grammar structure should be correct, and there should be a different variety of sentences. It could be passive active, it could be even what I mean to say that conditional sentences. You can even go for complex sentences. So there should be the variety of sentences that you are using. Now, once this part is clear, we do have a task today. The tradition that family gets together to eat meals is disappearing. What are the reasons and what can be the solution? Not even the solution, let me read this. And what are the impacts? That means what impact it has, what it affect, how it is affecting the society. It could be either positively or negatively. You have to just define that. So yeah, you got some time to think on the topic for some 2 to 3 minutes why this trend is disappearing, and then we'll discuss how to write introduction, body paragraph, and then finally a conclusion. 5 minutes for brainstorming the topic. Please go ahead and prepare some ideas that you will be sharing with me. Okay, is it done? Hina?
And few points are done.
All right,
Yes, ma'am.
take 2 minutes more.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
can we start?
Yeah, please go ahead.
For reasons, busy lifestyle,
Okay.
less cultural value, modernization,
Cultural value, modernization.
modern.
Cultural values, you feel that are blameable for we are not eating together now? Are they?
Sorry,
Cultural values, how you are going to say?
like this tradition that what we have to be together at our dinner time or lunch time, uh, that makes us more important than what is our culture from where we do belong. Like that's the Indian old tradition, ancient tradition, like be together every time. Till you are getting married or till you are being adult, you need to stay with your parents, not like Western culture, like after you get after a certain age, you can leave your parents. That's what I meant.
Okay, fine. Let's try to write.
Job timing,
So first you said that the first point, let's come. The timing, or we can say that the busy schedule,
yeah,
right?
yes,
Can be?
busy schedule,
Okay, fine.
less cultural value,
Cultural value. Okay.
modernization,
I'm sorry? Modernization.
modernization,
Okay. Modernization.
job timing,
Okay, busy schedule, that includes the job timing. Busy or hectic schedule, that also includes the job timing. Okay, fine.
modern technology. I think modernization, modern technology.
Modernization also connects your gadgets. Or we can just write a simple point, influence of technology.
Yeah,
Okay, fair. Or kuch?
more value to our Western. More value to Western technology and
Distraction from local cultures, their local values. फिर मुझे ये कल्चरल वैल्यू वाला पॉइंट हटाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि these are going to be all similar, so you will have to decide which side you're going to do. So I'm just asking, disappearing the cultural values can be the reason, and obviously that is being dominated by the Western culture, you can say, in India. But if it is about the Western countries, what they are having, so that should be like, obviously we cannot write only Indian perspective, so we can just write distraction from the local values or culture, and that you can give India as an example in that part.
Ma'am, you are not audible. What you said.
I'm just saying that the both will be the similar one, the cultural values or local values. It's going to be same. So we'll be just keeping one. Modernization and technology is all similar again. So we do have these points are quite connected. We have to write only 2 points in body paragraph. So that's sufficient. We do have any more idea that you want to add on, other students?
Ma'am, modern people don't know how to cook food, so they prefer to eat ready-to-eat food.
We can connect it with the local values too itself, or the secure job one.
Okay, yes, with the
We are
modernization itself.
distracting from the local cultures or local value, and obviously in which the cooking for the family was one of the most we can say integral part. And now, as everyone is busy, so definitely they are ordering the food rather than cooking at home.
Yes.
Okay, let's try to write an introduction. Now, when we have the reasons, there will be easy to find out the solution, because the same problem we have to address, but here the solution is not asked, it is just asking the impact of this. So let's plan the introduction first. For writing an introduction, you have to go for some 3 steps strategy. The first, you have to write a general statement or a general comment. Then you have to go for paraphrasing. I mean the question you will be rewriting, and finally you will be writing outline or opinion of the essay. Okay, so general line or general statement is nothing but that defines the keyword or that introduces the keyword that will be the focus of your essay discussions. That's the main topic. और यहाँ पे जो main topic है, the disappearing, क्या disappear हो रहा है, eating meal together, the family dinners or the family get together over food, that is disappearing. So that is only the keyword. We'll be just defining that first. So nowadays, the tradition of eating food together disappearing, ये तो पहले से ही एक common सा line है. So we can just write an introduction, sharing meal. Meal या sharing meal on table, जैसे आपको ठीक लगे, is essential to strengthen and cultivate mutual respect, I guess, or when we eat together, we do share the things, and that actually cultivate the mutual respect, or we can say maybe a kind of moral values. So we can just write sharing meal is essential to strengthen the family bond and cultivate family values. Yeah, simple values. Now we'll come to the topic. Nowadays, this trend is disappearing or extincting, right? Or is vanishing. However, yeah, unfortunately, we will come to that. I have done the paraphrasing. Now the third step is just to write my opinion. अब यहाँ पे opinion is not asked. The question is not saying what do you think, what's your opinion. They're just saying that you have to discuss the impact on the family and you have to discuss the reasons behind that. So I'll be just writing my outline. This essay would discuss the plausible causes behind it and also its implication. Implication is nothing but impact. So also its implication on family as well as the society. So this is the introduction. Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So after that, we'll be writing our body paragraph 1. That will definitely define the causes that we have discussed. I'm sorry for this. Okay. So to begin with, we'll be just starting to begin with. The first reason for disappearing this trend, yeah, extincting this trend or maybe vanishing, eroding. I hope eroding bhi aapne suna hoga, the one which is done
Yes.
slow. Okay, so it is modern lifestyle. Okay, we can just connect it with rather than busy schedule, modern lifestyle. So what modern lifestyle implies where the people are actually workaholic. What is the meaning of workaholic?
They spend most of their time.
Most of the time in their work, right? Just to meeting the deadlines and all. So the modern lifestyle is actually, so we will blame the modern lifestyle for this. First of all, where the people have become more, are following a hectic routine. They are actually workaholic. They do not have any schedule. They are working, the working hours are now stretched. And that's the reason they have the less time to spend with family, or most of the time their shifts are in a way planned that they do not get time to spend deadlines and all. It is a kind of stressed life.
Yes.
The second is influence technology. Yes, those the moments that we used to have together in life in the past, that has been deliberately, I can say that, been snatched by these devices, because they are offering an ample of we can say variety of object to the people, not only to entertain but it was just to interact with the people, and they are actually they are in a trap, or we can say that the prey of that virtual world, and they are actually ignoring, or we can say avoiding, the reality that is the family. And obviously when there is a dinner time or anything, they better prefer to have their lunch or meal whatever in their own room, sitting in front of their gadgets rather than talking with the family. So that's again another reason. What else we have discussed? Yes, destruction of local values, that is obviously influence of other culture. So this is also another reason where the people have been distracted from their own culture and now valuing, or we can say that adopting the other culture where the eating food together is not valued, or maybe they are more into a fast life, and the cooking, the traditional method of cooking have been now replaced by fast food culture. So in that case, normally people either order the food or they have an outside. These food are tasty, and that's the reason they avoid eating at home, or they prefer to eat outside. So that could be also the reason. More or less, the work stress से भी हम इसको connect कर सकते हैं. The people are too tired when they return. They don't have time to cook and eat together. So most of the time they either eat outside or skip. So anything we can just write in a way. So that's all for the reasons. We'll be just now discussing the solution. So similarly, whatever the problem we had, we'll be just giving the so let's say the first cause we just discussed, that is the hectic lifestyle. We'll be just writing the solution for this. Okay, I'm sorry, we are not going to write the solution. We have to write the impact. So what will be the impact of this? Obviously, it will ruin the family relationship that is already taken.
Yes, ma'am.
So communication is the key, and if there is no communication, they aren't talking, so obviously that will ruin the relationship.
People feel more stressed if they find no one to share their joys and sorrows together.
Yes, they will be more stressed, they will be more isolated, they will feel
Yes,
alone, and they will be again the victim of different kind of disease. Obviously, that could be the depression. In extreme
anxiety.
cases, anxiety. Oh, yeah, that could be also. Okay, what implications the selfish nature? I do feel that we are now become more self-centered. These job
Yes,
targets, these are our own personal goals, and we are working for that. So the people now have become a more selfish, and that's the family values. Obviously it is degrading.
yeah. This we can show this impact on society.
Yes, selfish in nature, then obviously you are not going to work for the society, you are just thinking of yourself, not for the people. So that's also. And
Mm.
yes, impact of we can even connect it with the crime, because in that case the one who suffers a lot, that those are the children. They are left unattended, the
Yes,
values are obviously not inculcated to them, and they lack in morals or moral values, and that obviously have a serious impact on society, because today's generation is going to be the future. And if they are actually grown up or nurtured in such an environment where the families are the secondary and the self goals are more prominent, then definitely in coming time they are going to be self-centered more, and they can be like more, what we call it as adamant, ziddy kind of, and that will definitely be a harm for the society. And these unattended child are sometimes even indulged in crime, not in all cases, but आपने अगर juvenile delinquency का नाम सुना होगा, so family structure is more or less responsible for them. I think that's sufficient for writing impact. So जितने
yes,
भी करें that we have discussed. So to conclude, finally we'll be concluding. So to conclude, जो भी reasons है, modernization या modern lifestyle, a hectic work culture, right? The Western impact of other culture and distraction from the local culture, the selfish nature are the prime factors or are the main reasons for disappearing the family meal or the family values altogether. And it will have a many detrimental, कल भी हमने ये word करा था, for the negative detrimental consequences, that's the negative consequences on family such as well, what we can say, lack of emotional support, depression, as well as the misbehaved children, selfish society. ठीक है, so I think that there should be appropriate steps taken by. अब हम देख सकते हैं कि वर्क जो है ज़्यादा वर्कोहॉलिक है, तो there should be a proper work life balance maintained by the people, and the priority should be given to the family. ठीक है, just to avoid this problem. So that will be one solution that we are giving or suggestion. All right.
yes.
So this is all for the task 2. We'll be switching to the reading. Before that, just let me know, is there any doubt?
No,
Pavan and Sushmita. She missed. I'm sorry how that.
No, ma'am. I would like to add one more point actually.
Yeah, please go on.
Actually, children they develop unhealthy eating habits leading to disorders.
Yes, that's
Is
really, yep. We called about the fast food culture, obviously. So that will unhealthy eating habit not only children but even for the adults. And again, the obesity could be, cholesterol problems, diabetes. These all could be common. So we can even talk about that. Okay. Anything else you want to add?
no, ma'am. Actually,
Okay then. Question ka please screenshot ले लीजिए that you will be going to attempt, and then we will switch to the reading.
yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, let's move then. So we are going to start with the reading, the brief introduction of reading. The readings are in us, it's nothing but the comprehensions that we used to do in our school days. Just a passage, read and find the answers. But yeah, it is going to be a bit tricky, a bit lengthy and a bit complicated. The vocabulary is going to be more this time. That's only the subtle difference. But yeah, you have to just again focus on the keyword and extract what you actually need. So first of all, we'll be just seeing the common tips that we are going to follow to complete the reading. The very first thing is that predict what the text is all about. So when you look at the heading, you will just come to know what the text is going to be. Let's say the current slide says IELTS reading best tips. So that give me an idea, okay, what I'm going to read will be related to the tips of IELTS reading. Fine. So similarly, when the reading comes to you, just have a look at the reading and that will heading, I'm sorry, that will give you a fair idea what the text is going to be about. After that, read quickly. When we get the newspaper, what we do, we just simply scan the things and we find out what is going to be important for me or what fascinates me the most, maybe the interesting column, interesting news, and we just read that in detail. So similarly, when you get a reading, just go through scanning the things. What are the maybe the names, the places, some inventions, these all things you need to quickly scan, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, and just to get the general idea what the passage is all about. After that, read the questions, come to the questions, read the questions, highlight the keyword, what the keyword is, that I mean the what the question is asking, what you are looking to answer, and then ignore unknown words. Yeah, there must be many words that is deliberately, I can say that, given in your question or maybe in your reading passage, so it has nothing to do with your answer. So what you are going to do, you're just going to ignore those unknown words, or maybe you can just try to have a wild guess what it could be the meaning, and then just read the passage. Don't read again everything. The passage length would be up to 3000 words, so you are not going to read each and everything. You have to read only what is asked, up like stick to the question and just read that. Whenever you get the keyword, read the information carefully, the nearby information. When there is a distractor, let's say it is saying however, but, so distractor is there, read that again carefully, and then finally write your answer. We do have a lot of questions type in reading. Okay, these things are again important. Let me just revise. Titles, headings, when you're skimming and scanning, you have to look for the headings, subheadings, features, some capital letters. Those are obviously the name. Underlining words, italics, figures. If there is some graph and table, have a look. Allocate proper time. We do have 40 questions in reading, and total we get 60 minutes to complete that. One question, logically, just you have.
Ma'am,
Yep.
can you please little bit slow down?
Okay. Okay, so just have जब भी आपको रीडिंग मिलती है, यू हैव डिफरेंट टाइप्स, आई कैन से द पार्ट ऑफ रीडिंग। पैसेज में आपके हेडिंग्स हो सकते हैं, सब हेडिंग्स, टाइटल, फीचर्स, कैपिटल लेटर्स, दोज आर द प्रॉपर नाउन्स। अंडरलाइनिंग वर्ड्स हो सकते हैं, इटैलिक्स, फिगर्स, ग्राफ, टेबल्स। तो ये सारी चीजें आपने केयरफुली रीड करनी है। इफ पॉसिबल जस्ट गो फॉर अंडरलाइनिंग दैट। टाइम अलोकेशन इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट। अब इसमें आपने क्या करना होता है, यू गेट टोटल 60 मिनट्स टू कंप्लीट अ रीडिंग। 3 पैसेजेस होते हैं, 1 पैसेज कंटेन अप्रोक्सीमेटली 13 क्वेश्चंस, किसी किसी में 14 होता है। सो यू हैव टोटल 60 मिनट्स, 40 क्वेश्चंस। एक क्वेश्चन करने के लिए यू हैव 1 मिनट सम सेकेंड्स, मे बी 1.5 और 1.20। तो यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल विथ मैनेजमेंट ऑफ टाइम। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन रीड करेंगे, पैसेज में जाके यू विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर्स। अगर नहीं मिल रहा है, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू वेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑन दैट, स्किप कर दो। लास्ट में यू कैन फाइंड आउट इफ यू हैव अ टाइम, और इफ स्टिल यू डोंट हैव अ टाइम, जस्ट गो फॉर वाइल्ड गेस, राइट ए बी सी एनीथिंग, बिकॉज आपको नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होती है। सो इफ योर गेस गोज करेक्ट, ऑब्वियसली you will get 1 mark, and if it is wrong, then that's a 0. There is nothing like that you will get minus or something. So you can always go for guessing. Check your spelling. Many of the time हम answers we find correctly, but जब transfer करते हैं, we aren't very careful, and we just end up writing wrong spelling, so that will definitely give you a 0 mark. So make sure जब भी आप transfer कर रहे हो, you are very much careful with the spellings. Use singular and plural correctly. Yes, if there is are in blank, your answer should be plural. If it is in a blank, it should be singular. So be careful with uses of singular and plural. Pay attention to the word limit. Yes, word limit आपकी अगर कह रही है कि आपका answer no more than 2 words, और अगर आपने 3 words का answer लिख लिया, that will fetch you a 0 mark. So word limit के साथ please adhere कीजिए. 1 mark for the right answer, 0 for the wrong answer. That's all. I hope this part is clear.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll be starting. So these are the type of questions: MCQs, matching, sentence, true, false, yes, no, not given, and short question answers. एक एक करके करेंगे हम. That will be clear. So this is a question, and you can see this is a passage. It's saying that the best suitcases. Total A to G, we do have a variety of suitcases, and there are certain features which are explained in the question. हमें बस मैच करना है कि कौन सा फीचर कौन से सूटकेस में है या कौन से पैराग्राफ में है. ABCDEFGH, right? So first, let's have क्वेश्चन रीड करते हैं. फर्स्ट वाला, yes, अंडरलाइन कीजिए कीवर्ड्स. So let's see. अब यहाँ पे एक एक करके अगर आप ढूंढोगे, that will be too time consuming. First जितने भी questions है, keywords mark कर लीजिए. Those who with expensive luggage. So this is going to be expensive. The second is saying that it is right one for the people who like to follow the latest fashion. Okay, the trendy one. It is easy to choose and it matches with most of the clothing. Okay, fine. The manufacturer is confident that it will last for a long time. Okay, so long lasting or durable. Items in will not be affected if it is gets wet. That means it is waterproof. This suitcase is of useful and medium size. Okay, fine. Those who want to be reminded of an earlier age travel. Okay, this is something inspired from ancient time or past time, will prefer this suitcase. So we read the question, we marked the keyword. Now we'll be just starting scanning the first paragraph. रीड कीजिए आप भी, just read by your own and just find out कि किसी से भी इसका information match कर रहा है.
Yeah, it's matching with fifth option.
Fifth one.
Yes.
So we'll be just writing in front of fifth, we'll write A. Water resistant, so waterproof. So fifth, in front of fifth, you'll be writing A. I hope you can do the rest part in similar way.
Yes.
Okay, then start doing.
The B matches with second one, I think.
Sorry, did you say something?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the second one matches with the B.
No, you just need to write the answers and at the end of 5 minutes, we'll check the answer. Do not divulge the answer. Keep it a secret, write on your notebook and we'll just have a check at last.
Okay, okay, sure, sure, sure.
Ma'am, done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Pawan, is it done for you?
Oh, ma'am, actually, 2 minutes.
All right, let's wait for 2 minutes.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आइल्स एकेडमिक की क्या पैटर्न है, आप ये बता सकते हैं? मतलब इज माय फर्स्ट डे, I don't have any idea about academic patterns.
It is same. We are doing academic only. Don't worry. The question type will be the same. The length of the passage will definitely be, you know, the lengthier, but the tricks going to be the same. Marking the keyword, matching it, and just writing the answer.
No, I'm not talking about reading only. All four I'm talking.
That will come one by one. Today we covered writing, reading, and we'll have a speaking. And tomorrow, most probably, we will have a listening.
So I'm asking, a listening pattern will be same with general, right?
Of course, it will be same for general too.
And
Are you for
reading,
academic or general?
I'm for academic, but I don't have any idea about academic. Little bit general idea I had, but for academic, I don't know.
It's okay. That will be covered in the class itself. The listening is going to be the same. There is no difference between the academic and general listening. It is same. Pawan, is it done?
Yes, ma'am. I have done with 5. The remaining 2 things I'm not able to get it.
Okay, we'll see that. Check. Let's check the answers first. Check the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
So now see, one, everyone got correct.
No, ma'am. One I wrote its answer would be C.
For those who wish to purchase expensive one. So can you see the gold detailings and renowned fashion house?
Okay.
And you can say it's a truly indulgent to buy. And if you are investing this much, so this is again, it's giving you fair idea that it is going to be expensive.
Okay.
So this is only the answer. The gold detailings are back from renowned fashion house as well as truly indulgent buy. This is saying indulgent, that is expensive one.
Rest all are fine.
Okay, rest all are fine. What about you? Pawan, last के दो रह गए थे आपको. Medium size, we have to find out this suitcase is for the medium size, right? For the number 6, which you couldn't find, right? यहाँ पे for E paragraph, very first line, in between. So something which is in between, neither too bad nor too small. It is in between, so that is definitely E part. All right. 7 you didn't get. The 7 is saying those who want to be reminded of an earlier age experience. G part में आ जाओ. Goes back to the days when the trains ran on the steam. So isn't it about the past experience? पवन, ये आप ही के डाउट्स थे. and you are mute.
Now clear now.
Now it's clear, fine. So let's do the second section. These are the second section. Just try to do this. I'm just erasing the marking part now. You can just do by your own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions are there. You will get total 10 minutes. If the things are matching true, if it is opposite or false, and if there is no information or half information, you have to write not given. Just try doing this.
Please display the complete paragraph. Ma'am.
It is the complete paragraph only.
No,
You
ma'am.
have
This is not complete from the below. It's somewhere because last two questions are in that paragraph, which is not initial.
really?
Yes, ma'am.
No, but this is only the paragraph I have. There is no second paragraph. There is an answer paragraph now.
I'm not saying there will be a second paragraph. I say this paragraph is not completely displaying. Like
Okay,
the
that we'll
Yeah.
see later on while answering. But right now, this is only the paragraph, and it is displayed completely.
Okay, okay. Done, ma'am.
Still, there are 3 minutes left, so let others doing. We will just wait. Okay, is it done for all? Such what's name? Pawan, is it done for you now?
Yes, I'm done with this now.
Okay, let's take the answers then.
Now at one wrong, ninth question.
9th is wrong. Fair. Let's check out. पवन आपके कितने गलत हुए हैं? Pawan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, 10 and 12 are like true answers.
You got 9 correct.
Ninth wrong, ma'am. Rest all correct.
I'm asking to Sachin. उसके सिर्फ 10 और 11 सही है ना, तो he might get 9 correct. Sachin 9th आपका सही है?
मैम नहीं 9th मेरा रॉन्ग है.
Correct, ma'am.
गलत है. ठीक है. Students will act in performance in front of their classmate at the end of the first term. First term जब खत्म हो जाएगा, so they will be getting a chance to perform. अब यहाँ पे देखो, last line term on, the term finishes with an internal production given for the tutors and the students. मिल गया?
या मैम ये लाइन तो हमने पहले भी पढ़ ली थी, लेकिन मेरे को यहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस करने का कुछ समझ नहीं आया.
इंटरनल प्रोडक्शन मीन्स क्या होता है? अगर आप फिल्म कोर्स में जा रहे हो और तुम्हें एक प्रोड्यूस करना है कुछ भी, सो व्हाट इट इज गोइंग टू बी? ऑब्वियसली अ फिल्म.
ओके.
ओके, आफ्टर 9 एनी मोर डाउट्स?
मैम ये लोग ने बताया कि स्टूडेंट्स विल एक्ट इन अ परफॉर्मेंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ देयर क्लासमेट्स. ये तो नहीं लिखा था ना कुछ ऐसा.
या क्लासमेट्स तो एंड में स्टूडेंट्स लिखा हुआ है ना, तो स्टूडेंट्स बीच में इंक्लूडेड हो गया ना.
It is there. The term finishes with an internal production. वो बना रहे हैं and given for the tutors. जो किसको दे रहे हैं वो? Tutors and students दोनों के लिए. तो यहाँ पे भी तो ये student will act performance in front of their classmates. Yeah, that's true.
Internal production is classmates only, in school only, right?
Yes. Okay. और कुछ after 9, 10, 11?
11.
11 is saying students are required to make a film on their own in the last term. Last term के course में आते हैं. And check out, are they asked to make a film their own? So technical classes continue
No.
with additional focus on audience technique, workshops and masterclass. This term includes a public performance of a play outdoor in the grounds and the chance to act a short film recorded on location by a professional crew. Question क्या है? They are required to make a film on their own at the last. यहाँ पे भी लिखा है, the term includes a public performance of a play.
Actually, 14th question, ma'am.
Okay. Let's
14th.
move one by one. 11 पहले कर ले, फिर 14 पे जाते हैं.
11 का फाल्स आएगा. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ कि उन्हें प्ले में परफॉर्म करना है जो फिल्म प्रोफेशनल्स के द्वारा मतलब बनाई गई है. ये नहीं कहा कि उन्होंने मतलब कंटेंट भी खुद रेडी करना है, सिर्फ एक्ट करने के लिए मैम.
एक मिनट. If you are in confusion, please first line read करो. 1 year acting course है ये actually.
बट मैम मेरा आंसर भी तो मैच हो रहा है. 11th का फॉल्स ही आएगा.
Okay, fine.
और मुझे ट्रू लगा था पर ये रॉन्ग है.
Obviously, this is true.
नो मैम दिस इज रॉन्ग, क्योंकि उन्होंने यहाँ पे परफॉर्म करना है, एक्टिंग करनी है. लेकिन क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने पूछा
ये
कि
अगर कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन है तो फॉल्स होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेक अ फिल्म है और
Make
वहाँ
a
पे
film
एक्ट
है,
अ
yes,
फिल्म है.
ma'am.
और अगर आप
Act a-
फर्स्ट एक्ट हेडिंग ही देखो तो ड्रामा है. 1
Yes.
year आपको एक्टिंग कोर्स मिल रहा है. So obviously you got to act. Number 14 है overseas candidates can do all their auditions via digital link. Yeah, is it true? So
Yes, ma'am, it's
YouTube
true.
link मिल गया आपको? So यहाँ पे लिखा है कि if you are applying for from overseas, you will be able to submit your first audition. सिर्फ first audition आप कैसे कर सकते हो? Either you can go for DVD, YouTube link, or secure website. You will be invited to submit this once we have received your application from an audition fee. And if you are successful in first audition, you will be invited to attend future auditions here at the school. So बाकी के जो भी auditions होंगे उसके लिए आपको school जाना पड़ेगा. जो first है वो आप और
Yes, ma'am, exactly. But in answer, it was showing that that is false. Actually, it is true, right?
Yeah, it's true, and answer also shows it's
Excuse
true.
me, how it can be true? It is saying all and it is saying just first. How it can be true?
Okay.
It is saying that only first can be
Yes,
sent
yes,
digitally and rest you have to attend. You have to go there. So सिर्फ एक जो है you can send, not all. Question is saying everything you can send digitally. So this is
Yes.
obviously false. Clear है ये?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's do the rest. Now do the blanks. 8 10 हो रहा है. You will be getting total. Let me check questions कितने हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 है. 8 minutes.
I'm done.
Done now.
Wait for 1 minute just. Okay, let's check the answers. Okay, what is doubtful in this? 15 to 20?
Nothing,
Nine.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Nothing?
19.
19 is doubtful. All right. Just read the question first for the 19. Non-US or Canadian citizens must have a visa and go to the dash. So where they have to go? Dash area. Which area to complete?
I
Why?
thought border crossing.
Yes, we can see that as it is, oh, I'm sorry. Again. So we can see that will also be required to complete an I-90 card. And where it is available. I hope you got the answer.
It is available only at border crossing, but it is written immigration. It will be a different, right?
Why will be writing border crossing?
It is written that cards are available only at border crossing into the United States.
But those are if I say that it is near the border, but will you contact the immigration department or will you go there?
It's later on they're telling primary inspection will be instructed to report to immigration.
They actually it is written as customs is a primary inspection.
यहाँ पे देखो आप अगर देखोगे so drivers who clear the customs at the primary inspections will be instructed. So what instructions it is given to report. So where they have to report, where they have to go, the immigration.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So you have to report to the immigration department or immigration portal to fill out the card. So obviously you have to go to the immigration.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, shall we move to the last part if we do not have any doubt?
Ma'am, 18, I wrote interior drifts. So it will be slipper areas. It is different, right?
Yeah, it is different.
I have to write the exact answer, right?
Exactly. You cannot mold the things exact what it is. You have to just write the same. that comes the last part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions. Let's be quick now. 29, 7:29 is the time to complete this. I mean 8:29. Be quick now.
Done, ma'am.
Is it done for all?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes then. Pawan, be quick.
Done, ma'am.
Let's check the answers now. Timer. Check the answers. Any doubt in this part? 21 to 27?
No.
Yeah.
25th.
45 is doubtful. Make it clear that absence is a possible reason for dash. So what reason could be behind that? So let's find out.
Explanation. Sorry.
For is not like a reason for dash. Make it clear that absence is a possible reason for explanation. Okay, let's see the fourth part. Employees should investigate unexpected absence promptly and employees should be asked for an explanation interview in order to show both absence regarding senior smarter because
Result is dismissal. Okay.
yeah, exactly. So it could be the reason for dismissal.
But it asks for the reason, but it is not asked.
Make it clear that absence is a possible reason for. किस चीज का
Okay.
reason हो सकता है absenteeism? They are not looking for why you are absent.
Okay.
Okay, fine then. We do have cue card. Now the time is over. So what you can do, you can just record and send in the group and I'll just check it. This is your topic card. So please take a screenshot, record and share. You have to speak at least 2 minutes on this topic when you are recording, and these are the hints: who, how, what. These should be in your consideration, and why you admire that person. So these are the points that need to be added on when you prepare the topic, and make sure it should be of 2 minutes.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then any doubt in today's class?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Actually,
then.
it would be better to give some like exercise or something.
Exercises, the reading exercise I'll share later on, maybe in 10 to 20 minutes.
Yeah,
And the
sure.
writing is already you have as a homework, task 2. That would be sufficient for the day. And speaking, you are going to prepare and record, right?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, fair then.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So I'm just closing the meeting. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.